customer persona. As you see, this title is about customer persona development using that is for developing the business. This workshop is getting conducted for the Welingkar Institute Management's hybrid program students. Here students are invited at the institute and live workshop is conducted.
To be married with professional education. Well, they are educated lot. That is what I meant. Psychographic, extrovert is one psychographic this thing. You can refer to some of that. When you take a break, second is a working modern housewife. Third is would-be retiring individual. Fourth is adventure freak working professional. And other is successful senior professional.
Hello, my name is Jigar Panchal and my firm name is Kishore Auto Ancillary Private Limited. I would like to thank Bhargav Hathi sir for inviting me for workshop about mastering the art of customer persona to grow the business. I learned about customer persona, that how to discover yourself and others' behavior, state of mind,